What's up, everybody? It's Gucci back with another video, and today I'm doing a facial with Nisha's new glow kits. So that is the bag that you'll receive, and inside you have 4 different containers with 4 different steps. And you also have a sponge and a little spatula thing that will help you measure out how much product to use. So, if you want to watch me get this glow, watch me do my skin routine, continue to watch this video. First, I'm going to steam my face just to open up my pores because I have dry skin. And people with dry skin, our pores are not open like people with oily skin. So that just helped open up my pores some more. And yes, that steam was really hot. And we're gonna go into step 1. Under each container is it is numbered one through 4. So you will know which step you need to do next, which I'm happy because I wanna know. So I'm gonna take this little spatula and take some product out. Then I'm gonna well, as you can see, I'm putting it on my finger. And right here, I didn't realize I took a lot out. I thought I only took a little while, but once I was dabbing it on my face, I'm like, ooh, that was a lot. But yeah, whatever. So now I'm going to just spread that product all over my face. Make sure you're not getting it everywhere. And don't forget to also clean your neck while you're doing your facial. So I'm just going to rub this into my skin in circular motion. We'll try to remember to use circular motion. Then I realized, I was like, wait, why am I using my fingers? And I wanted to use my facial cleansing thing that I got from Vanity Planet. So I'm like, oh, I forgot I wanted to use that. So I dipped it in some water, and I made sure I had the silicone head in it to help it cleanse my skin better than my fingers. Now that I am done cleansing my face, I'm going to take that sponge that was in my bag, and I'm going to put it in some water. I was literally getting water everywhere right here at that moment. But yeah, I'm going to take that damp sponge and make sure I wipe off all the cleansing product off my face. So now we're going to get it into step 2, which is the scrub, the exfoliating scrub. I think Nisha made this one herself. It's turmeric, which is really good for any type of skin. And I'm going to take that spatula again, dip it into the product. This time, I made sure I only take a little out because she was right. A little does go a long way. You don't need a lot of product. So I'm just going to dab that all over my face. Make sure when you do this step, your face is like somewhat wet because I was in the middle of doing something and my face got dry. So I had to keep get my fingers wet to spread the product properly. And it actually does smell good. Yes, now I'm just making sure I'm using circular motions. Make sure I'm getting everywhere on my face and my neck. Don't skip the neck part, sis. The turmeric scrub is also good to exfoliate your lips too, because my lips been peeling, so I made sure I put that on my lips as well as the scrub on my face was sitting for like a minute or two. Yeah, so I let that um, scrub sit on my face for 2 minutes, and now I'm dipping my fingers back in some water and going back at my face again, scrubbing. Using circular motions to clean my exfoliate my skin some more. Yeah, but this scrub is really good because my nose it chafes a lot. I don't know why. I just really just have dry skin. So that scrub really helped my nose area out a lot. And it smells super good as well. It smells like some candy. So now we're going to use that same sponge and make sure we get all that product off of our face, well, off of my face. Make sure to get the products off. Make sure I get the products off my lips as well. Now I'm finishing cleaning the rest of that exfoliating scrub off of my face. I have a real bad habit of touching my skin. Don't do that. But now I'm just spraying some toner on my face just to bring some hydration back to my skin. She also sells toner in her kits, but I already have some at home. Now we're going to go into step number 3, which is a gel mask. Using the same little spatula, I'm going to get some product, and I put some product back into the container because I'm like, no, that was way too much. So yeah, this time I'm going to put the product onto my palm, and I'm going to use a old makeup brush. I never used this brush before. I don't even know how long I had it, but I never used it. Cause as well, she does sell a silicone thing. I don't know what it's called, but it helps you. It will help you with this part. But I'm like, I could just use the old brush because I didn't have the little tool that she used to spread it out. But this worked just as good. Now just make sure I get it everywhere. Now I'm done putting my gel mask on. I'm just making sure I got that mask on evenly around my face. And I guess I'm just tidying up a bit right here. It was a lot of stuff on that little tiny desk, so I had to move some stuff around. Now I'm just gonna put some under eye mask on. And these I did put in the freezer for at least 20 to 30 minutes because putting your under eye mask in the freezer will help with puffiness. It helps with puffiness, and I was reading that it helps rejuvenate underneath the eyes, which I need, which I needed really badly. So yeah, I'm gonna massage that in a little bit and let this mask sit for at least 5 minutes. Yes, this part is perfect for a glass of wine. This is the Stella Rose Red, which is my favorite. So make sure you have a cup of your favorite wine and blast you some music because it is a whole vibe, sis. I did let this mask sit for 5 minutes, but the last minute I steamed my face with the mask on. I probably could have did it the whole 5 minutes, but I chose not to. Now right here, I'm done steaming my face. It was all sweaty. Girl, I did not want to put that wine down. That wine was so good. Stella did her thing on that one, okay. Um, I'm just going to take my under eye mask off, bobbing my head to whatever I was listening to. I don't know what I was listening to. I just kept staring at myself in the mirror. I'm like, oh my God, my skin looks so good. And with that same sponge, I'm going to clean off that product off my face. Using that sponge to wipe off that product off my face. Steady looking in the mirror, looking at my skin. I don't know why I was fanning it, but yes, girl. I was so in love with my skin at this point. Now I'm just going to spray my face again with some toner. Fanning it a little bit. Now we're going to go into the final step, which is step 4. If it'll focus, dang. Which is just moisturizer. She does have a serum that you will put on before this moisturizer, but the kit that I got, it didn't come with it. So I just had the moisturizer. So we're going to use that same little spatula. Take a little bit of product out. I think this time, this final step, I got a lot of product out because, like I said, my face is dry as hell. So I'm like, I need all the moisturizer I can get. Okay. Now using circular motion, I'm just going to rub that moisturizer all into my face. Yes. Get that skin, sis. Don't forget to do your neck also. Finishing rubbing that moisturizer onto my skin. I'm just going to hit it with some toner again. And like I said before, toner is just to hydrate the skin. But yes, my glow kit was the bomb. It did my skin so good. I'm going to put some Carmex on since I exfoliated my lips on step 2. Got to make sure I moisturize them. But yes, Nisha has different sizes and different kits for different types of skin. Whether you're oily, dry, or both, she got you, sis. And it works wonders. Like, look at my skin. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but in person, I was really glowing. And I will make sure I will have all her information down in my description box. So, ladies and gentlemen, make sure y'all grab y'all glow kit so y'all can have a glow just as mine. Y'all can have a better skin routine because everyone needs one. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for everyone, even people that already got one. Thank you.